Ever wondered how SEO can boost your online reviews? Well, you're about to find out. Welcome to an insightful journey into the world of SEO for online reviews. In this digital era, your online presence is your business card, and online reviews are the shiny gold stars on that card. They can significantly impact your website's visibility and credibility. Now, imagine a potential customer is searching for a product or service. The first thing they do, they check online reviews. So it's not just about having positive reviews. It's about making sure those reviews are seen. And this is where SEO, or search engine optimization, steps in. By smartly leveraging SEO, you can ensure your reviews are not only positive, but also easily discoverable, standing out from the crowd. That's why it's crucial to ensure your reviews are not only positive, but also easily discoverable. Before we delve into SEO strategies, let's briefly discuss why online reviews matter. Now, you've probably asked yourself, why should I care about online reviews? Well, there's a simple answer to that. Studies show that a significant percentage of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. That's right, online reviews carry as much weight as a friend or family member telling you they loved a product or service. Consider this. When you're looking to buy something, whether it's a new phone, a pair of shoes, or even a dinner at a restaurant, what's one of the first things you do? If you're like most people, you check the reviews. You want to know what others are saying about it. You want to know if it's worth your hard-earned money. Positive reviews can do wonders for a business. They can build trust, influence purchasing decisions, and even drive more traffic to your website. On the flip side, negative reviews can do just the opposite. They can deter potential customers and harm your reputation. That's why managing your online reviews is so important. But here's the catch. Positive reviews are only as good as their visibility. If they're tucked away on the third page of search results, their impact is significantly diminished. It's like having a billboard in the desert. Sure, it's there, but if no one sees it, does it really matter? However, if these reviews are buried on page 3 of search results, their impact is significantly reduced. Begin by identifying relevant keywords related to your business and incorporate them naturally into your reviews. Now you may wonder, what's the fuss about keywords? Well, keywords are the backbone of SEO. They're the words and phrases that potential customers type into search engines when looking for a product or service. So having these keywords in your online reviews helps search engines understand what your business is all about, and thus rank your website higher in search results. But how do we identify these relevant keywords? Here's where a bit of research comes in. Start by brainstorming what your potential customers might search for. Think about the terms associated with your product or service. For instance, if you run a vegan bakery, relevant keywords could be vegan cupcakes, plant-based pastries, or dairy-free desserts. Once you've brainstormed a list, dig deeper. Use SEO tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find out how often people are searching for these keywords and how competitive they are. This will help you identify which keywords to prioritize. Now, let's talk about incorporating these keywords into your reviews. It might be tempting to stuff your reviews with as many keywords as possible, but resist the urge. Search engines are smart and can penalize you for keyword stuffing. Instead, aim for a natural and conversational tone. Remember, your reviews are for your customers first, and search engines second. Consider this example. Instead of writing, "Our vegan cupcakes are the best vegan cupcakes. Customers love our vegan cupcakes," you could say, "Our customers can't get enough of our decadent vegan cupcakes, lovingly baked with plant-based ingredients." See the difference? The second review sounds more natural and engaging, yet it still includes the keyword vegan cupcakes. So sprinkle these keywords throughout your reviews to enhance their visibility in search results. Remember, keyword optimization is an ongoing process. As trends and customer preferences evolve, so should your keywords. Keep analyzing, adjusting, and optimizing to stay ahead of the game. The more reviews you have, the more opportunities there are for SEO. This saying holds a significant truth in the realm of digital marketing. The fourth strategy for SEO optimization of online reviews revolves around customer feedback. Customer feedback is not just a tool for improvement, it's a goldmine for SEO. Every review, whether positive or negative, is a fresh piece of content for search engines to crawl, offering a chance to incorporate relevant keywords and enhance visibility. So, how do we encourage more customer feedback? Firstly, make the process of leaving a review as easy as possible. This could mean creating clear instructions on your website for how to leave a review, or sending a follow-up email with a direct link to the review page. Secondly, don't shy away from asking for reviews. After a customer has made a purchase, ask them for their feedback. A simple request can go a long way, and a happy customer will likely be more than willing to share their positive experience. However, it's not only about collecting reviews, it's also about responding. This is where we move into reputation management. Responding to reviews, both positive and negative, is a crucial part of this strategy. When you respond to positive reviews, you show appreciation for the time your customers took to write the review. This encourages more customers to do the same. On the other hand, negative reviews provide a unique opportunity. By handling criticism professionally and showing willingness to resolve issues, you demonstrate to potential customers that you value their experience and satisfaction. This can turn a negative into a positive and boost your credibility. Remember, transparency is key. Don't delete negative reviews. Instead, use them as an opportunity to showcase your commitment to customer satisfaction. In essence, encouraging and managing customer feedback is a dual-benefit strategy. It not only provides valuable insights for business growth, but also fuels your SEO efforts, making your online reviews more visible to potential customers. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, as it shows engagement and contributes to your overall online presence. By doing so, you're not just optimizing for search engines, you're also building a stronger, more trustworthy brand. If your business has a physical location, focus on local SEO. This strategy is a key player in the SEO for online reviews game. Local SEO targets search engine results in a specific geographical area, making your business more visible to potential customers in your region. Now you might be wondering, how do you incorporate local SEO into your online reviews? The answer lies in including location-specific keywords. Say you own a family-friendly Italian restaurant in Brooklyn. In this case, keywords like Italian restaurant in Brooklyn or family-friendly restaurant in Brooklyn could be your best bet. Encourage your customers to use these phrases in their reviews to boost your visibility in local search results. Remember, local SEO is not just about your city or neighborhood. It extends to other local landmarks or popular areas nearby. For instance, if your business is near a well-known park or museum, include this information in your reviews. It's all about creating a local footprint that makes it easier for customers in your area to find you. Now let's shift gears and talk about another significant SEO strategy: rich snippets. Rich snippets are a type of structured data markup that provides search engines with additional details about your reviews. They can include information like ratings, reviewer's name, price, or product availability, all displayed directly in the search results. Here's why rich snippets are vital. When a potential customer performs a search, they're presented with a vast number of results. Rich snippets make your listing stand out by providing more information at a glance, making your reviews more enticing and click-worthy. Moreover, rich snippets help search engines better understand the content of your reviews. This understanding can lead to improved rankings, as search engines can more accurately match your reviews with relevant searches. So, how do you get these rich snippets? You'll need to add structured data markup to your website. This might sound technical, but there are many resources available online to guide you through this process. Alternatively, you can always enlist the help of a web developer or an SEO specialist. To wrap up, local SEO and rich snippets are powerful strategies that can significantly improve the visibility of your online reviews. By including location-specific keywords in your reviews and using structured data markup, you're providing search engines with more information about your reviews, leading to better visibility and increased click-through rates. In conclusion, mastering SEO for online reviews is a game-changer for businesses looking to enhance their online presence. As we've explored today, ensuring your reviews are easily discoverable and positive can significantly impact your website's visibility and credibility. Remember, keyword optimization is a powerful tool. By incorporating relevant keywords, you make your reviews more visible to potential customers. Encouraging customer feedback is equally important. More reviews mean more opportunities for SEO, and they also demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Don't overlook the power of local SEO, especially for businesses with a physical location. And finally, rich snippets can make your reviews stand out in search results, leading to better visibility and increased click-through rates. Implementing these strategies can help you not only boost your online visibility, but also build credibility among potential customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into digital marketing. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.